Hello, my name's Vicky and I'm from the University of Wolverhampton's communications team. I'm here today to talk to our students about the current situation with the coronavirus. We're going to give you some advice about where to go to get information about what is happening here at the university. The key place is the university's website. So if you go to www.wlv.ac.uk/coronavirus. We have a dedicated web page which we are keeping updated with what our actions are here at the university and what the current picture is. There is also a set of frequently asked questions on there, and that is where you will find a lot of the answers to the generally asked questions that you may have about the situation. The university is working closely with Public Health England about the situation, what action we need to take. We're also closely monitoring the national situation and any advice from the government. So that web address again is wlv.ac.uk/coronavirus, and that is the best place to go for information about the university. I'm here with our Vice-Chancellor, Jeff Layer. He's going to talk to you a bit about the situation as well.
Hi. Yeah, the situation is one where everybody we're aware of that has been designated now a pandemic. And that means that different parts of the world are engaging in different types of reaction to it because there are different stages of exposure to the virus. What we've been doing over a number of weeks is planning for interruptions in study, planning for disruption to the university, planning for disruption to student learning experiences. So we've been doing that for a number of weeks. And we're looking to carry on activity within the university as normal and as it should be. But that means we also have to take cognizance and be aware of the fact that some students will have some difficulties. They'll have underlying health conditions that they need to look after, and they're at greater risk of exposure to the virus. That some may need to self-isolate. We will make sure that all our students are looked after. We will make sure that students are able to complete their studies. There may be some delays for some individual students, but we will help them to get to where they need to be. We will make sure that the support services are there, and the key thing is to focus on how you can access your learning through Canvas, through the virtual learning environment, through the libraries, through engagement with staff. Now there is a possibility, and we've been planning for this, that part of the reaction might be that the government decides that the university should close for formal face-to-face teaching. In which case, we will continue to use our Canvas materials, we'll continue to use online learning, and we'll continue to make more resource available to students so they can access that. And we can look at ways in which assignments are done and assessments are done. So there may be some changes to schedules, but the key thing is that we will be actively communicating with everybody about what those changes are, how they impact on people, where to ask questions, and how to get information.
And just to add to that, if students are feeling unwell and they need to get advice about what they need to do, the best place to go is to the NHS 111. They have an online service. There are links on the university's website, and that is the best place to go to get advice about whether you need to self-isolate or any other medical advice. In terms of being in touch with the university, you will be linked and associated with a faculty, and your faculty student services are the best people to contact. For example, if you have an underlying health condition and you need to get advice about whether you need to stay away from the university, any advice about exams or assessments, those faculty student services phone numbers again are on our website, wlv.ac.uk/coronavirus. If you follow the link to the FAQs, there is a section dedicated to students, and that is where you will find the phone numbers for the faculty student services. I'm also joined by Io, who's our Students' Union Affairs Officer, and he'd like to give a message to our students as well.
Thank you, Vicky. I'd like to tell all students not to panic about the coronavirus. Every measure has been taken by the university to look at the aftermath of the event. For those that, if eventually students will not be able to come to school, I want to let students know that it wouldn't have adverse effect on them, and the university have taken necessary measures to make sure it wouldn't affect their learning and teaching, and the staffs and their various faculties and their deans, and everybody is going to support all of them with the student union as well. We're going to put messages across to you on our website and our social medias, and the university is going to put messages across on their social medias and the website as well, which Vicky has said earlier on wlv.ac.uk/coronavirus. So I don't want any student to panic. Every measure has been taken by the university and the student union. Thank you.
Thank you. That's a really good message there, Io. Thank you very much for that. So yes, thank you to everyone. And those key points are that we will be communicating a consistent single message across all our different channels, but we will be trying to contact people via as many channels as possible. It may be via Canvas or MyWLV, the university website. These are all channels where we will have the same message to try and get across to students what is happening here. And that website again is wlv.ac.uk/coronavirus. Thank you.